Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, we will take the Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, we will take this antigen self-testing. Kay sakit ang tutunlan. Nagisipon. Walang mag self-testing antigen may. So mao ni siya na yung mga instruction, then box, then ito po yung cotton.
Why not wanna swab inside seed wrapper? Ano siya?
This strip
in sealed money.
Puff. This one.
This third one. Then extraction
Buffer sachet.
ini
Ano siya guys? Cute. Next is extraction tube.
ini
Ano yung extraction tube? Dito ilagay siya. And then, swab inside.
ini
Sealed wrapper. Ano siya? Then, extraction tube. Ano
na
plastic waste. After na magawa nilagay dito.
in one box 7 so
In one box, 7 pieces content.
this ini sa pangitan sa UK.
From UK. This one is from UK. Test and trace. COVID self-testing. Rapid antigen test. Okay. We will start now.
Put the extraction tube holder in the box. Remove some liquid.
You first pa. Put all the liquid in the extraction tube. All. And then open the strip. Ito po yung
One negative.
the strip. One line is negative, two positive of COVID-19. Next is
This is the step. Holding up between fingers, open mouth 4 times each side and 10 times roll. The other side, one nose. Then same with the child.
for adult, then for child. There's an instruction.
2 by 2 side by side. And 10 times roll with
10 times
Nostril.
sa nostril inside. So let's continue. Process
After that,
15 seconds.
10
Pick up
seconds i-dip sa
this one
extraction sa tube.
with
Then pinch the extraction.
bench.
To press the cup tightly to to the extraction tube to avoid any leaks. Then get squeeze extraction tube to place 2 drops of the liquid onto the specimen on the test strip.
2 drops in here. Here.
Then wait, check time if you have, wait 30 minutes before you read your result. 30 minutes.
30 minutes. The result
And
will
you read
come
the
out.
result. If positive result will appear at time of 20 minutes. However, you must wait for the full 30 minutes to record a negative result as the test line may take this long to appear. Mata mo na. Ano na ito? Dila gawas. Mato. Ulong. 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 Nanti.
Nakita eh. A bit painful.
Then squeeze.
Cover. Then sealed.
Yeah. Then put the 2 drops.
2 drops.
Betul. 2 or 3 drops.
2 or 3.
Then put here.
I have a sore throat. Painful throat.
Next, Cedric. Cedric. Down.
Wait, sa. Next is kids. Cedric has colds, then he has fever. Thank you, Lord. Only 1 line.
Wait for 30 minutes.
I'm negative COVID. See,
30 minutes.
let's wait until 30 minutes. So, wait. Next is kids. We will try Cedric. He's 13 years old. Negative. Here's the result. Thank you, Lord. This one is for 13-year-old Cedric.
Bila. Bila. Ito. No.
Long day.
Sorry.
Painful day. Sneezing. A bit painful. press after turning around.
Lupin ako.
Then put here. Then cover. Shake, shake, shake. Then put one. Finish.
Okay. Okay.
Sweet. Here is the result of 13-year-old Cedric. You're negative COVID. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. God bless you all. Thank you.
Ini. Ito man. Manual. Manual. No straight. Kani. Job og atong liquid. Ano gisagol? Atong sarana sa kuan. Then ini rapid antigen.